Ubbi Chat by Ubbi is one of the best sellers among changing table pads products. The manufacturer's 2-pack changing mats are made similar to a standard yoga mat to ensure a soft and comfortable spot for your baby to rest, providing durable and comfortable convenience for on-the-go changes. Certified non-toxic and phthalate-free, the mat is made with hex mold inch, the most eco-efficient plasticizer specially developed by BASF. While the changing mat may emanate a faint smell, be assured it is safe to use with your baby right out of the packaging, and the scent will dissipate in a short time. Enter the world of Ubbi, where innovative products are designed and created with parents and children in mind. Under the Ubbi name, you'll find unique, quality products that are easy to use, helping to simplify parents' lives while keeping babies as happy and safe as can be. Thanks to its award-winning can of steel, Ubbi is now a recognized brand worldwide. The Ubbi diaper pail is renowned for its ability to achieve maximum odor control, and appreciated for offering the convenience and value of utilizing any standard trash bag or reusable cloth liner, a breakthrough in the diaper disposal market. With the same customer-focused philosophy and innovative design capabilities, the Ubbi brand is now expanding its signature diapering selection and extending into the feeding category. A wide range of Ubbi-branded products is now available for today's modern parents who are looking for stylish and functional baby essentials. From concept to final creation, the Ubbi team works together every step of the way to bring the best in design and value. The input of every member of the team is taken into account in the development of the Ubbi products, but consumer input is the most important, as customer satisfaction is the manufacturer's primary goal. Includes 2 mats, both durable and comfortable for on-the-go diaper changes. Made similar to a standard yoga mat, the Ubbi changing mat ensures a soft and comfortable spot for baby. Certified non-toxic and phthalate-free, the mat is made with hex mold inch, the most eco-efficient plasticizer specially developed by BASF. Easy to fold and store for on-the-go diaper changing. Ubbi changing mat makes the perfect companion for any of the Ubbi on-the-go items,